My name is Bob Irwine. I work for Fiserv Orlando. I am the CIO for Large Bank Division. My job is to develop and deploy software for financial institutions. One of the reasons that Fiserv and other financial services companies are here in Central Florida is that there's a rich amount of technology talent available to us. So we've continued to use that talent from the different universities, and in some cases we've brought in interns and used them on different projects to help supplement our current staff. My background, I started off in college. I was a business major at finance and accounting, and after a few semesters of that work, I had an opportunity to work in a technology program where we went out to local businesses and tried to help them enable technology to run their businesses more effectively. Having that experience really kind of changed my thought process, and so at that point I changed my degree to management information systems, which really was kind of your classic solution design and systems analysis work. From there, that kind of led to my first job. My first job was for a computer manufacturer doing systems analysis in their financial services group. So in that case, I actually was building systems to help the company actually run its business. From there, I had a lot of experience building things in larger computers, more mainframe based, and how that's sort of changed since then is that now I've moved into technologies that are more mobile, technologies that are now more distributed, and I think that's kind of where the industry is going now. We still have lots of account processing and very flexible systems, but it's our ability to deliver that through different channels, through different technologies, that's really making the difference in how Fiserv today provides financial services and then those consumers consume them. One of our big breakthroughs that Fiserv has realized recently is the idea of person-to-person payments. In the past, you had scenarios where if you wanted to give a friend of yours that you owed him money or a family member, the only options you really had were cash or check. Today, there's now new options. Fiserv has rolled out a product and a service to financial institutions called Pop Money. It allows us to anyone with a bank account and a cell phone number and an email address to be able to turn around and request and send money to virtually anyone. We rolled that out in 2010, and there are over 1,700 credit unions and banks that are using that service today.